Hey YouTube, welcome back to the first unboxing video of the year for the channel. Today I've got with me, as you can see, the Eco World 10 Alexa. This is actually a Christmas gift over the holidays. Now getting around to opening it up. It's the side, you can pause it and read through all that stuff if you'd like. I'm actually not gonna do a setup, but we'll go ahead and pop it open and see what's inside. The last Eco product I had, or Echo, or however you say it, Alexa, that I had was the Dot. So that's the box. It looks like pretty big box. I have no idea what this is or what it does, but let's go ahead and open it up and see what comes with it. Okay, first things up, we have some sort of power supply. I can get it out this box. Okay. This was just to hold that power supply that came. Okay, this bad boy's got some weight to it. Let's go ahead and put this down right here. Actually move this to the side. Come back. See what else is inside the box here. This is pretty cool how they have a built-in pocket inside the box. I don't think I've ever seen that before. But hello, hola, bonjour, Echo show. I keep saying Eco. It's Echo. Forgive me. Content, English, Spanish, etc., etc. Getting to know your Echo show. Okay, that's cool. So it has a mic, volume, camera shutter, camera, and microphones. Alexa, design and protect your privacy, yada, yada, yada. This is the setup part. And again, I'm not gonna set her up, but it looks pretty simple. You just plug it into the back. But my wife will be doing all the connecting and setting up and hooking up. So let's go ahead and toss this to the side. See what this is. Keep space clear of objects. Okay. Like a safety. Okay. Tells you sort of how it should be. If placed near a wall, run device mapping. Yeah, we'll let her figure all that out. Is that it for the box? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, let's come back to this here now. So, this here moves. Let's go ahead and put this back down. Take our rubber band elastic off. And the only real setup I see that we can do here without pissing anybody off, just plugging this right into this little port right here. Yep, that's in. That winds. And then let's go ahead and take off this plastic bottom, see what it looks like. Oh, that's how it's supposed to sit. Okay, and this thing, this screen here oscillates. Oh, okay, cool. It's bendable, flexible. You can move it. Let's see if it can go. No, can't go that way. It's just side by side, up and then down. And then going back to our booklet here, let's see if we can pinpoint what's what. So the camera I can see right here, perfect. The headphones, these three. Is that correct? The headphones are right there, 1, 2, 3. Oh, microphones, what am I saying? Yeah, I see the microphones right here, boom, boom. The volume, let me get it like this so you can see, yeah, the volume plus, the minus, and then this is the mic, camera, and hold. Yeah, pretty simple. That's pretty much it. Maybe after she sets it up, I'll come back into some sort of in phase, but if you guys did enjoy, do me a favor, leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, appreciate it.